How simple does your life feel when you really stop and think about it?
And more importantly, how simple does it feel inside your mind?
In the next several minutes, you will listen to a calm and thoughtful conversation about living simply.
There is nothing you need to do right now.
Just listen.
This episode lasts a little over 10 minutes.
You can listen while resting, walking, or doing something easy.
Try not to analyze every word.
Let the meaning arrive naturally. Jennifer, lately I have noticed that many people say they want a simpler life.
Yes, I hear that often too. But when I ask what simplicity means to them, the answers are very different.
Exactly. For some, simplicity means owning fewer things.
For others, it means having fewer obligations.
And for many people, it means reducing mental noise.
That part is interesting, because mental noise is not always visible.
But it strongly affects how we experience daily life.
Many learners notice this when they try to slow down.
They realize how busy their thoughts usually are. A simple lifestyle is often misunderstood.
Yes, people sometimes think it means doing less or caring less.
But in reality, it often means choosing more carefully.
Choosing what deserves attention.
And what does not.
This situation is very common.
Modern life offers constant input.
Messages,
Notifications,
information,
and opinions.
all competing for our attention.
A simple lifestyle does not reject modern life.
It creates boundaries within it.
Boundaries that protect focus.
And energy.
Many people discover that simplicity begins with awareness.
Awareness of habits.
Awareness of routines.
And awareness of emotional reactions.
For example, noticing how often we reach for our phone.
Or how quickly we agree to commitments.
Or how rarely we allow silence.
Listen closely to this next part. Simplicity is not about strict rules.
It is about alignment.
Alignment between values and actions.
When those two match, life feels lighter.
Even when life is busy.
That is an important distinction. A simple life can still be full.
Full of meaningful work.
Full of relationships.
And full of responsibility.
The difference is intention.
Intention changes how pressure feels.
Pressure without meaning feels heavy.
Pressure with purpose feels manageable.
Many advanced learners relate to this.
Especially those balancing work, learning, and personal life.
A simple lifestyle often includes reducing decision fatigue.
Making fewer unnecessary choices.
Like simplifying daily routines.
Or limiting options.
This creates mental clarity.
And clarity supports better focus.
Focus is essential for deep listening.
Yes. When the mind is calm, listening becomes more intuitive.
You're not chasing every word.
You're following ideas.
That's how real understanding develops.
Simplicity also affects how we relate to time.
Many people feel they are always running out of it.
A simple lifestyle invites a different relationship with time.
One that values presence over speed.
And quality over quantity.
This perspective changes daily experience.
Even ordinary moments feel more complete.
As we continue, we will look more closely at how simplicity appears in everyday choices.
And how those choices quietly shape the way life feels.
When we look more closely at everyday choices, we start to see patterns.
Patterns that often repeat without us noticing.
For example, how we fill small gaps in the day.
Waiting in line.
Sitting on a bus.
Or having a few quiet minutes before a meeting.
Many people immediately reach for stimulation.
They scroll.
They check messages.
Or they consume more information.
A simple lifestyle invites a pause instead.
A pause to notice the moment.
To notice the body.
And to notice the mind.
This is not about avoiding technology.
It is about choosing when and how to use it.
Choice is central to simplicity.
Especially conscious choice.
When choices are conscious, life feels less reactive.
And more intentional.
Listen carefully to this next idea. Simplicity often shows up in what we remove,
Not only in what we add,
removing unnecessary commitments,
removing constant urgency.
and removing unrealistic expectations,
Expectations can quietly complicate life
especially expectations about productivity
or success.
or constant improvement,
A simple lifestyle allows space for being.
not just doing,
This balance is subtle.
and it takes time to feel comfortable with it,
Many people experience resistance at first,
because stillness can feel unfamiliar.
but over time it becomes grounding.
Grounding helps regulate attention.
And regulated attention improves listening,
You begin to notice tone
emphasis,
and intention.
not just words.
This is why a simple lifestyle supports language learning
It reduces internal noise.
and creates space for meaning.
Another area where simplicity matters is communication.
Simple communication is often clearer
It focuses on what truly needs to be said.
and leaves out what does not.
This clarity builds trust.
And trust reduces tension.
Reduced tension changes how conversations feel.
They become more present.
And more human.
Simple living also reshapes priorities over time,
What once felt urgent may feel optional,
and what once felt small may feel essential,
like rest
or reflection.
or daily learning.
These priorities support consistency,
Consistency is more powerful than intensity.
especially for habits.
Listening is one of those habits.
A few minutes each day
Calm and focused,
builds understanding over time,
without pressure,
without rush.
and without overload.
If this conversation felt natural,
That means your listening is developing well.
stay with this rhythm
Keep listening regularly.
and allow progress to unfold quietly.
Real change often feels simple.
Thank you for spending this time listening.
We invite you to return tomorrow and continue building this habit.